How does face sculpting work? Actually, our aging starts from the bone. So effective massage always working from the layers, using the logic. First we work with our bone on our face, then we work with our fascia, and then we work with our muscles to release the tension, because if muscle is in tension, then become shorter and we see more skin. Let me show you some exercise that you can do even at your work, just few minutes a day, to work with scalp on our face and the roots of problem in our face. So when you sit and work on the computer, just make a gap. Put one hand on the forehead and another on the head, and feel the compression between our hands. And just stay like this 1 minute with the feeling. Feel the compression between hands. By this exercise, it will work to remove the line between your eyebrows, to open the eyes, and generally for the forehead, to remove any tension from the forehead. If you do it every day for 1 minute, you will see how this area is improved, how straightened it is. So second one, for the lift your cheekbone. Again, very simple, just when you work on your computer, make a gap. Clean your hands. Put your palm under your cheekbone, find it first, not like this, lift it, hold it, and just stay like this. By doing this exercise, you also move our maxilla bone, because as we age, the maxilla bone still can move. We still can work with our bone. So just stay 1 minute and feel how the energy move your bone. Feel it. It's all about the feeling as well. Okay, nice. Repeat these two exercises every day and you will see how improves your face.